How to remove human icon on accessibility. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings and scroll down in settings and click on system. There's two ways to turn on accessibility. So if you turn on in this way by clicking on accessibility at the top and then clicking on accessibility menu at the top. After you click on it, you will find this kind of screen. Click on accessibility menu shortcut. Simply click on it to turn it on. Then press on allow. Got it. And as you can see, there is no figure. What you need to do is swipe up with 2 fingers to turn this on. But if you had turned on from safe boot, which is another method, you would find human icon at the bottom right. And this is how to remove human icon on accessibility. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.